Today we are replacing one of infamous 15-inch MacBook Pro batteries. First, some context. In 2019, Apple issued a recall on 15-inch MacBook Pro models sold between 2015 and 2017 due to reports of battery overheated. Some could even catch fire. Apple offered to replace the batteries for free, but unfortunately not all MacBook Pros in this time frame were covered. Which bring us to this device. This is a 2015 15-inch MacBook Pro. As you can see, it isn't sitting level on this flat desk. That's because the batteries have swollen. Normally a bit of gas is produced when the battery charges and discharges voltage. If the regulatory system manages the charging and discharging and battery fails, this flammable gas can build up, inflating the battery. These batteries can be dangerous, so we don't advise you try this yourself. With our safety care on, we pop open the back of the MacBook to take out the battery. With the back of chassis removed, you see how the batteries have ballooned. We pry the battery connector out of its socket and then inject an alcohol solution onto the batteries to help separate them from the adhesive heat holding them in place. With the batteries removed, we halfway done. We clean out the adhesive residue and then set about installing the replacement batteries. We re-establish the connection between the battery and the board and apply a sticker to hold the connector in place. With that, computer is up and running once again. We do also have most electronics brand components in stock, such as Apple Mac LCD, top case, keyboard, SSD, logic board and more for immediate shipping. This video is provided by Tronics Center. For more details, please visit our website www.tronicscenter.com and contact us on support@tronicscenter.com or support@bazarzone.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.